Hey gamers, did you know that in 2024, budget gaming laptops have surged in popularity by over 35%? That's right, everyone's looking for performance without breaking the bank. Today, let's dive into the Lenovo Legion 5 Pro 2024. This laptop claims to offer top-tier gaming performance at a fraction of the cost of high-end rigs. But does it really deliver? One of the biggest challenges we face when hunting for a budget gaming laptop is finding the right balance between performance and price. You don't want to sacrifice frame rates for affordability, but many options out there just don't cut it. You might get decent specs on paper, but once you start gaming, thermal throttling, poor battery life, and subpar graphics can ruin the experience. It's a frustrating dilemma. The Lenovo Legion 5 Pro 2024 aims to change that narrative. Let's break down what it brings to the table. First off, it's powered by AMD Ryzen 7 7840HS paired with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 GPU. That's a lot of muscle for a so-called budget laptop. The 16-inch QHD display with a 165Hz refresh rate ensures buttery smooth visuals, whether you're deep in an intense FPS match or exploring an open-world RPG. Design-wise, the Legion 5 Pro doesn't disappoint either. It's sleek, with a sturdy build that feels premium. The keyboard is fantastic for both typing and gaming with responsive keys and customizable RGB lighting. Plus, the cooling system does a commendable job, keeping the laptop cool, even during extended gaming sessions. Now, on to the real test gaming performance. I've spent a week with this beast, putting it through its paces. Titles like Cyberpunk 2077, Apex Legends, and Witcher 3 ran smoothly, even on high settings. Frame rates were consistently high and I didn't experience any major dips or stutters. The standout moment for me was running Cyberpunk 2077 at high settings and getting a stable 60 FPS. That's impressive for a laptop in this price range, but it's not all sunshine and rainbows. The battery life is just okay. You'll get around 5 hours of mixed use, but heavy gaming will drain it faster, and while the speakers are decent, a good pair of headphones will definitely enhance your experience. So, is the Lenovo Legion 5 Pro 2024 the ultimate budget gaming laptop? In many ways, yes. It offers a remarkable balance of performance, design, and price. It's not perfect, but for gamers on a budget, it's a solid contender. What do you think? Share your thoughts and experiences with budget gaming laptops in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to check out my other tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!